Hey guys, so welcome back guys to the channel and welcome back for another video. Today I have a treat for you guys. Today is going to be the first time I actually brought a wrecked vehicle, guys. So I have a tow truck driver that will be delivering it here in a few minutes, and it's a 2009, it's a Toyota 2009 Yaris. The front end has damage to it where it was wrecked and stuff. It is a running and driving vehicle, and so we're going to basically just take it apart and we're going to see what we're working with. Hopefully there's not a lot of structural damage, but once we start getting into it, we'll find out more about this 2009 Yaris, guys. So let's go ahead and get into this build. Who is? Oh, okay. Okay. All right, man. Hey, I got this tow truck coming up here, so I'm gonna have to talk to you in a little bit. All right, man. All right, guys, so we finally got it here and parked, and we're about to go ahead. Like, first thing I normally do with all the vehicles and stuff, man, I'm gonna try to pretty much go ahead and keep it clean. I'm gonna try to wash it, get all the dirt and grime off, because it is a insurance car. Just see here. And from the looks of it, it looks like he's touching over there. Compartment's a little dirty. I don't know if there's any damage in that radiator or not. So this is all damaged here. So I would take all this stuff off. Yeah. All right, so let's go ahead and get our water hose out and everything, and let's wash it down. All right, guys, so first thing first, man, let's get in here and let's start this thing up, or at least let's see if the battery is good enough to start. Let's see here before we clean her up. All right, that's a good sound. So she started up. See if the AC works. Let's see here. Oh, okay. Like I said, it's my first time ever even sitting in one of these vehicles. Yeah, so the AC works. That's always a good sign there, guys. Cut that off here. Radio. Man, I tell you, that's crazy. Radio works. So, see up here, I got the door open. Is this door open? Let's see here. Let's see that light go off here. All right, so the only light that's on here, actually, see if focus in on this, is actually, it just says maintenance required. And it got 166,000 miles on it. That's all right. 2009, that's probably just highway miles. Radio work, everything. Horn works. Let me see if the windows rolled up. That's good. Back windows working. All right, back windows work. Yeah. Okay. Let's go ahead and pop the hood, open up these doors. I'm gonna let it run a little bit. All right, so basically that's good. Got some mats back here. That's where the mats was. I was wondering what happened to the mats. So I'll put these on here. Gotta clean that stuff. Take all this crap out. I'll wash all that and clean that up. We'll throw that trash away. Open up the hood. I tell you what, man, she's running. I mean, you can't hear it. I mean, it's running really good. So, all right, so let me go ahead and start cleaning out. I get my tire. All right, crew, so hey, we are finally finished washing, and now I actually you saw me take the front clip off and everything, and after I took the front clip off, I actually just went through everything on the front end to see, you know, basically if I could see any structural damage or stuff like that. So I'm telling you, this is actually what I found, man. It has been hit on this driver's side. As you can see, it's kind of like smashed in here, which should be an easy fix, man. I may have to get my my buddy. He has a puller, and we probably just need to pull this out a little bit, but I will definitely take this part here off. I don't think I need to order a front guard or anything, but I will need to order a new driver's headlight. The brackets on it broke. Okay, see the driver's side broke on it, so it'll pull right off here. And also the under the inner fender on the passenger side is gone, and as you see, this piece here on the headlight, which is a very easy fix, is bent here as well, so I should be able to pull that back out. The motor and everything cleaned up really well. I was happy about that. Other than that, because when I did, you saw me driving it, I did hear some rubbing. All right, and so basically it was some rubbing of the clips was off, and it was just on the tire like this here. So that's what was rubbing that I heard. So it's just a few clips broken, and I'm pretty sure once I take this out and pull it back, you know, pull it forward, you know, who knows, I may find some more damage, okay? So, hey guys, until the next video, I'm gonna go ahead and get online, and I'm gonna go ahead and start ordering these parts as quick as I can, because there's no need to wait. I also missing some hubcaps as well, so that should be a very easy find. But let's take a quick walk around, man. Now since she's all cleaned up, and you see I actually took those stickers off, and I tell you what, man, she cleaned up really well. Only thing she's really lacking is a little buff. And like you see, you said all stickers that was on the front, those came off really well. The gas tank there came off, you know, really well. It was really dirty. And the back ones actually came off okay, but once I buff it, and I did forget those 3 stickers down there, I was so excited I was ready to wash it. So, and I'll wash it again once I get those other stickers off. And I did see that there was some scuff here. I should be able to buff that out. So once I go ahead and do, once we get the front bumper, and I have to order a front Toyota bumper, the whole, not the bumper, but the whole piece here, this isn't savable for me anyway. So I'll get online and I'll order all this here. And once we get these parts, we will go ahead and hey, take it apart and start making repairs to it. Hey, so once again, man, just like that, this is the end of this video. The next time you will see the 2009 Yaris is that we'll be putting it back together, guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and get online, start ordering these parts so they'll come in. Hey, thank you for watching these videos, guys. And if you like more videos like this, go ahead and write some comments down below. Give me a big thumbs up. Don't forget to share these videos. And also, if you really like them, go ahead and subscribe to me to help me out, guys. And like I tell everybody, if you got a good cigar, a fast car, or truck, smoke them if you got them, baby. CJ is out, and I'll catch you guys on the next video.